What the hell are you?
I'm back. So today we're making Venom's mask from the Venom movie, and I don't like doing just plain masks on my channel. I like to add some cool features to it, right? So in the movie, his face kind of like opens up on one side. I'm gonna do something like that. I might have like the whole face open up, or I might just have one side open up. I'm not sure. But yeah, let's get right to the build. Alright, so there's the template on my bed right there. It's the same template from the other Spider-Man mask video I made. So basically we're just gonna use the other side, which is pretty much the exact same thing, and we're just gonna put it on a cereal box, such as that one. Alright, so here we have it all cut out. All you gotta do is just tape it to the cardboard, and then cut it out, and then do it again. Alright, so we got the whole mask cut. So basically that's what it would look like when it's open on one side. And then be like that, right? So that hinge piece we made is gonna go like this. It's gonna move it to the side. Not that much, but it's gonna probably open like that. And then we're gonna have another piece that's gonna just kinda close it. Alright, so you're gonna wanna grab your hinge piece, right? You're gonna take your mask, it's all cut and stuff, right? Cut a little hole right there for the hinge to move. And you just place it there. Now I need to cut another one for this part to move too. But then once you glue it in place, just take the other part of your mask and then glue that on too. And then there you go. So we got the whole mechanical part built. So now the mask can open and it can close. It's a bit flimsy, it keeps falling and stuff. What we're gonna have to do is harden this.
Oh hey, I'm just about to go to bed. I know we couldn't Skype tonight, but that's alright. Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow.
So thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. I cut my finger just for this video. Both fingers. I got 2 cuts on both fingers of this X-Acto blade from cutting up the teeth. So be careful if you're gonna do this. The mask is just a simple hinge piece, right? And it doesn't lock back there. So I don't want to lie to you guys about that. So let me know if I should one day improve on this. Maybe add an elastic to like pull it back, and then a magnet to keep it connected. But yeah,